Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how we can remove the Pilcrow symbol as well as other strange symbols that have been suddenly added to your Word document really quickly. So let us get started right away. So as you can see, I created that example document here for demonstration purposes on Microsoft Word. And as you can see as well, it features that symbol here, the Pilcrow symbol, in addition to other strange symbols like dots, double dots. And the first time I saw this, guys, I really thought the file must be corrupted, or maybe I did something wrong. I didn't know how and when I enabled that or added that symbol to my document. So in addition to that, English is not my native language, so I didn't know how to translate the name of that symbol from my mother tongue to English. So at the end of the day, I found out that that symbol here is called Pilcrow, and you may have, for example, accidentally enabled it. This is how you can remove it, guys, so that you don't assume that your file is corrupted, because that's most likely not the case. Instead, you may have accidentally enabled it. So you may remove it by heading over to the Home tab here, and here to the right you will see the paragraph section. In the top right corner you will see that Pilcrow symbol. So by clicking on it, you may disable it or hide it, or by using that shortcut here. And after that, that symbol plus the other strange symbols get removed almost instantaneously. And that's how you fix this, guys. I hope this video was helpful. You got some real value from it, and we'll see you later in our channel.